Like I said, I gotta get through it. I got about a dozen kids. This is like crazy, crazy, crazy. How about that, guys? How about that? Not 396. This, like I said, that ain't my favorite color. Let's get back to that Chevelle for a minute, guys. How about that? You ever see a better 69, 68? Not sure. Pretty slick though. How about that? LS3 block in it. Motor City Rat Pack Club. All's nice and good. Boy, is that sweet. Let's see what else we got. Get the dog. Gotta get the dogs. Yeah, everybody and their brother has a camera here today. I'll be honest with you guys. It's nuts. There's somebody doing a little thing with the Jeepster. Yeah, it's insane. I'm gonna get what I can, guys. This is like nuts because how about that for a 5? It's a repaint on it because this is from my era. The paint didn't look that good new on them. Real nice. If you had a 5.0 on her. It's a historical vehicle. That is nuts when you see them on those old Fox bodies. But let's see what we got. Yeah, what do we got here? Got this Jeep. Like I said, this is not how it was last year. I came down here last year and yeah. I'm just showing you what I'm seeing, guys. Just give me a heads up.
Feels good.
They got something like this. I don't know if this is a Rolls Royce or what it is. It's got its fans, let's put it that way. Let me see, we'll get sliding through here, guys. Sorry it's kind of bouncy, but there's a lot of stuff that, yeah, it's a select audience, let's put it that way. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody got their channels out here today, guys. Just give me a heads up. I'm sure these are some YouTubers I probably watched before without knowing it. Wow, this is a, I hate to say it, guys. This so far has been a big disappointment. Sheesh. Yeah. Like I said, I'm giving you a little bit of the same stuff, guys. I kind of went through it fast. The music's loud. That old parking area used to be all cars last summer. And if you hear a block of no music or no sound, that's what's going on. This is Dud City, I'll be honest with you, fellas. Yeah, let's see. You get to see that Mustang again, whether you like it or not. It's insane. The dog always gets views. Oh boy. How about this, guys? You get to see that Chevelle maybe the 5th time, I guess, but it's worth looking at every time. That's a pretty nice car. Then you got this GS. Let me see this. Now, I think I'm going to get into a situation where I kind of slow it down, guys. I'm in the right vibe now, I guess you could say. I'm going to be, no matter what, guys, I'm going to be in Buzzsaw City because there's not as many cars this year, and all the cars are by the DJ. So I'm just giving you a heads up. I'll take it down here so you see this. see what you got. How about that, guys? This, like I said, this is a smaller turnout than last year. I was kind of hoping I ran into some of my old friends from last year, but that ain't happening.
Trying to work on that one. That'll be a trick.
Let me see. Yeah. Let me do this, guys. At least I get a dog in the video. That always helps my hits, I guess, as they say. Yeah. Little greyhound. Oh, yeah. Let me get her.
Yep.
I see there's some over there, too. Yeah, that's insane. You're mainly seeing you're only seeing Let's see if we got something here, guys. It's going to be running into Buzzsaw City. Yeah, especially this song. They blocked this. You don't get to hear this ever. It's busy. It's laid out a mess this year, guys. I'll be honest with you. It's really a mess. You got some stuff over here, stuff over there. But yeah, we'll get it. We'll get what I can get. Let's put it that way, guys. Their car is still coming in. It rained late, till late this morning. Now they're getting antsy to get their rides, get them staged, as they say. But yeah, we'll keep doing it. Yeah, always need content, boys and girls. Like I said, I'm running right into a freaking buzzsaw of copyrighted music. And here's this GTX. I don't know if this was over at this might have been over there at Mopar's at the Red Barns, as they say. Let me see, let's get in here. My wife's walking the grounds right now. She knows I got my things to do. And we'll see. We'll get into this stuff here. Normally, well, looks like they're coming in come hell or high water, because like I said, that was a waterlogged lake right there a minute ago, guys. We'll get into it. How about that, bronchitis? So you're seeing what I'm seeing, guys. I'm gonna just panic. But here's another 5.0. This is the guy been at the Mustang Fest, the Ponies and Smokies he was at. Let's see what you got here. Like I said, I'm hoping to get something where the something where the dang to film to. Yeah. How about that, guys? Little coupe, nothing special, but it has its fans. That 340. Oh yeah. We'll get it. Like I said, how about this, guys? This might have been at Mopar at the Red Barns too. Don't know. Nice looking ride. That's kind of how you saw them, really. White wall tires, 500s. That was a family car at that time. So the hot rodders got a hold of them. Yeah, let's see what we got. See what we got. There's Posse Racing. Last week I had that, I don't know what that Mopar said on it. A Sport Fury or something. Belvedere. Let me see what we got. Yeah, we'll get what we get. Like I said, it's really scatterbrained on how this thing's laid out this year. I'll be honest with you guys. It's a nice Coda. get her what we can. Yeah, this guy's, like I said, there's about 1 million YouTubers out here today. But hey, I'm one of them, so I can't bitch. Yeah, so check this out, guys. They got some stuff going on in the back of this thing. Check that out. You got Woody. You got some, I'm not sure what that is. It's something's hanging from the mirror. That's kind of slick. This is all caged. This thing's like nasty. But yeah, we'll take a look at it. Got that snake. I didn't see it. The problem is today they're running in. They're getting through a little bit of muddiness. That black has to be spotless to look good, and it has a little bit of this and that with dirt on it. And we'll go through here. I'm not 100% sure if it's worth going that way. You know what? Maybe at the end. I'm going to do this because there's more cars this way. Let's do this, guys. You're going to hear some wind noise. It's breezy. Let's see what we got. Yeah, let's do this. How about this? Is that a 440, 340, 446? That's the bomb. Take a look at this. I don't think either one of these were at Mopar at the Red Barns. Let's do that. Yeah. And I'm going to tell you a little something, guys. See this Mach 1 and this Fighter Jet Gray? These things, I think they're the bomb. They had one of these in an Idaho Ford dealership, brand new, 22 left over. These wheels, it had base seats. This has the leather. That's a $2,000 option. They had it stickered for $60,000. They had it for $49,995 only about 6 weeks ago. That was a steal. I saw the 2024s. They're not as nice looking as this 22, 23 Machs in my eyes. And it proved me wrong, but no, that's pretty slick. See that, guys? That's all business, all meat, all tater. And this has been repainted because it has like a burgundy or a purpley paint. See what we got? I hear noises. Let's see what we got. There's that Roadrunner. No, that wasn't either. That wasn't at the Red Barns either, nor this one. Let's see what we got. That 88R or something. Yeah. It says CUDA. It ain't 88R. It just has 88R striping on it. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it's dirty here, muddy and sloppy. They're going to do the best they can to get through here, guys. They want to be part of it because it was raining no less than 2 hours ago here. Look at that. See those tires? It's telling you how it is. Yeah, let's see what we got. Yeah, you get modern muscle, old muscle, no muscle. And there's the GT. This guy has it looking about as nice as you can. The biggest thing are these two valves like mine, which I got the end of the vert of this, is that engine bay. No, you can't, and this is supercharged. You can't make them look good. Trust me. They are what they are. A bunch of fires. I don't know. I'm not impressed with my engine bay on mine either, and it's like brand new. How about this? Here's the Pink Palace. That's a Belvedere. That's a Plymouth. Usually you see those are Vickies and that color. And let's see what we got here. Here's a little something. Ford Club Cab. And that. This is a split. I think this might. No, it ain't a split. No, it has the sidewinders with knockoffs, so I'm guessing that's probably 65, 66 maybe. And then you got this. You got the fuzzies. You got massive fuzzies on that bad boy. Sheesh. That's pretty sick. How about this? 65, 66. That's a big stuffy in it. It's 65. Fort Gratiot. Nice car. Who can't go wrong with 65, 66 fastback Mustang? But, you see all those Condiga ones. It's like, you think you almost want to see everyone look like theirs, but who has that kind of jack? And I got this Firebird. Kind of a dirty, muddy mess, as they say. Let's see what you got. And this is this is what it is. Let's put it that way. I'll leave it at that. And we'll see. We got some more stuff coming on. And see this Boss Thrill too. Guy on Craigslist had these a couple years ago. He wanted 32, 33. It had nothing miles on, like 4,000 miles on it. And I said, it's kind of pricey. I said, I might be willing to give you 28 for it because I didn't know the value of these Bosses. And actually the 13, 14 is the better than, this is like a 12. I like I like what they did on the 13, 14 better. But he sold it for $1,000 above asking price. So, boy, I had my numbers all messed. Whew. How about this? Like I said, that's that Battleship Gray. That's like that Mustang. That's a little darker though. It's not my cup of tea. That's all. You don't see any badging on that. That's nuts. How about this? This is nuts.
Way past that.
We'll get her going, guys. Let's see what we got. Here's that studio I saw at the gas station earlier. You know. Yeah. And you got some of this. These were at the gas station too. These are late arrivals because we just gassed up a mile from this place. These guys, both of these El Caminos were here. Yeah, pretty nice. Yeah. Hey, thanks for giving me a nice short. I just uploaded. I'll probably get at least 2,500 hits on your car.
That's my father-in-law's.
Huh?
That's my father-in-law's.
But the motors always get hits, trust me. Oh yeah. No, that's pretty slick. Yeah. How about that, guys? You could have seen this. That's Fuglies. That's pretty neat, Fuglies. And you can't guess what that probably stands for, can you? I know that a lot of guys use that in different terminology. Ain't talking about rodents either. Oh well. Let's see what we got. Well, I'm just glad I'm not to copyright hell right now, guys. That music when I got here just blasted away. I love the music, don't get me wrong. YouTube will fucking get the nasty, or they'll get the nasty out. Oh yeah. How about this? Here's noise. Gotta have noise. LSX motor, that's fine. That'll give me some minutes. Drag car. You're looking at what I'm looking at. Yeah, it's a totally different deal here, guys. This is a little bit different because they just they don't have the cars like they had last year, and the temperature's better this year. Let's put it that way. It's not as hot as it was last year, but it's all a mess because it rained. We'll get a couple things. I don't see my buddies that had a couple nice Challengers or Cudas or something that was really the bomb. Here's modern muscles. Actually, it's not even that. That's a Ram Air car. That's always making it worth a little more. Yeah. Yeah. That's it, guys. That is it. I might film a little bit more, but this is going to be the end of this video. There's just really not that much stuff here, and it's laid out like a mess. So, anyways, I'll talk to you guys soon.